me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
We are starting off with some fresh ingredients: cucumber, lime, basil, watermelon, brown sugar. This cocktail is refreshing. You can use white sugar to probably look a little prettier, but I love brown sugar in cocktails. It is amazing. And as you can see, this is a lot of liquor in there. So this will get you feeling right, loves. And there you have it. This is refreshing and perfect for summer. Okay, so this is the steamer you can get from Amazon. Very important to always steam your face before washing, and ignore the mess in the back because today is Sunday. I'm doing laundry, deep cleaning, getting my life together. Get it nice and steamed. This is opening up your pores so that way the product can penetrate. And ignore my hair, it's flat right now, but I just did a wash and go like 2 seconds ago. I just finished. So we're gonna start off with the cleanser, and the cleanser I'm using is the green tea citrus cleanser. I am actually mixing a little bit of clay, kaolin clay, in with it. And what that's gonna do, especially for dry skin, which is perfect for, is going to pull out like a vacuum all that dirt and everything underneath your skin and pores. Just like that. So that's what it looks like, the clay. I'm gonna mix it together. You want to steam your face while you do it, and you should always clean your face for at least a minute. It sounds like a long time, but it's really not. It's worth it. Trust me, I know it's worth it because that was my skin before. Get all up on the forehead. I had to wet it a little bit because I do have dry skin, so I need it to, you know, lather up because my skin will literally absorb all of the product. What you do to the face, you're gonna do to the neck, because you don't want your neck to look all wrinkly and your face to look good. That is how you give away your age. Look at someone's neck. Well, I am going to rinse my face. So I rinse my skin, and my skin is damp, which is fine. I actually prefer to leave it wet for this next step. I'm gonna take some toner, and this is the hydrating toner because once again, I have dry skin. So all products that I use is hydrating, okay? So I'm gonna spray my toner. So now I just like to let it air dry. And how I layer my skincare products is I apply one, let it dry for a few seconds, like 15 to 30 seconds, then I apply the next. And I don't know, I feel like I see a difference when I feel like it's better product absorption and more hydration when I allow it to dry like this versus, you know, wiping it off. I feel like that's too harsh, especially because when you have dry skin is a little bit more sensitive to friction. I'm just gonna dry it. Let me tell you guys, my skin has come a long way. We have a few acne scarring, but look at this. Even from a distance, you can't even really see it. And after this, I'm going grocery shopping. I'm not even gonna put on makeup. I'm literally going barefaced because I feel like good. Like I feel good about my skin. Before, when I had my acne, child, before I went out, I would have to apply my foundation because it was red, bumpy, it was embarrassing. Like I didn't feel comfortable going out without makeup. Remember my glow up list? Teeth and skin were literally #1. So we're gonna apply our serum. So I'm still in my 20s. I still use an anti-aging serum. And this is from Skinscript, and it is the Ageless Hydrating Serum. And remember, whatever you do to your face, you do to your neck. Look how fast my skin absorbs these products. Next up, we are using the Murad Vital C Dark Circle Corrector. This stuff actually works. It has really helped when lightening up my dark circles under my eyes, which is important because even though we're tired of everybody's shit, we don't have to look like it. This is from Earth Harbor. This is the Superfood Luminance Ampoule. If you have dry skin, buy it. Gives you that glow, makes your skin look dewy, it keeps it moisturized all day. This. Ooh. And I know, like, your skin, you feel like, oh yeah, your skin looks oily. It won't, trust me. If you really do have dry skin like me, your skin is gonna eat it up. So now it's time to moisturize. My skin is so soft. Oh my gosh. It is so soft. It feels so hydrated. Remember, if a product is itching your skin, that is an allergic reaction. And we cannot forget the most important steps. We set the foundation. We did all the steps, okay? Now it is time for the most important thing. If you skip this step, what you did in the beginning will be in vain. All the stuff you want to prevent aging, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, it'll be in vain, okay? Never skip this step. Sunscreen, at least SPF 30. You need it. I don't know if there's like spray on sunscreen, because when you do your makeup and you're supposed to reapply it every 2 hours, like, bruh. And then if I was to do makeup, I would just do my makeup regular, apply a primer, work on the foundation, do all of that. This is my daily morning skincare routine. Oh, we cannot forget the lips. I usually use the Lineage. I use a lip sleepy mask, but I use it for every day, so. Alright, so it is 11:47 p.m. and I am going to do my PM skincare routine. At nighttime, it's about the same, but it's a little different. I have like maybe one different product that I use. I'm gonna start off by taking off my lashes, of course. Let me tell you guys, this is so freaking. I pull off my lashes. So now that the lashes are gone, I am going to take my micellar water and a cotton ball, and I'm just going to remove my makeup. Very gentle around the eyes. And look at that difference. Catfishing. Okay. Get the other side. Let me tell you guys, never sleep with makeup on. It's crazy. Even when I come home drunk, I always make sure to do my skincare. How you take care of your skin in the morning is just as important as how you take care of it at night. Okay, so now that the makeup is removed, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my face. And remember, steaming your skin is good for opening up your pores and sterilizing your skin, and it actually feels really good. So I just like to go and make sure I get all around my face. Now we're gonna take our cleanser, green tea citrus cleanser from Skinscript, and mix that with our kaolin clay. Remember guys, you have to wash your face for at least a minute. I'm gonna put the steam here so the kaolin clay can literally act like a vacuum and suck up all that dirt and debris and makeup that I had on today. And remember, your skin goes through a lot, not only with makeup but also too with pollution. It feels so good. And notice how I'm pushing up on my skin. Never pull down. Always push up. Okay? And remember earlier in the morning, I told you guys I like to leave my face a little bit damp. Take my hydrating toner. See? Same stuff. So what is different now is I'm using the Vital C Glycolic Brightening Serum. And this is from Murad. And this I only apply at night. When I apply it during the day, any little bit of heat or sun exposure, oh my gosh, my face turns red like a lobster, especially in this area right here. To apply, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over. Remember what we do to the face, we do to the neck, because you don't want your neck to tell your age. So that was the Vital C. Again, I only use it at night because it makes me so sensitive to light. So now we're going to take our dark circle corrector. We're gonna apply this. And this is also key to not having your makeup look cakey under your eye. We're going to take my favorite serum, well, favorite face oil, which is from Earth Harbor Moisturizer. mask on. And there you have it. We are ready for bed. This is my AM and PM skincare routine, how I maintain my skin, how I'm able to stay acne free. My acne journey was rough. So yeah, so remember, I have dry skin and it's how I keep my skin looking glowing. Also remember, if you have any questions, skincare concerns, you want more skincare tips, routines, you want me to drop my weekly face exfoliating routine or my monthly dermaplaning routine, I mean, even if you don't ask for it, I'm still gonna do it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.